The fabled German paperwork finally comes.
First stop was Onduri Safaris. Their camp was cool. Stone chalets on a mountaintop with a big view. So we got ourselves situated and got checked in, and then went to sight the rifles in, and the next morning it was on.
Yeah, I feel like we'll be comfortable here.
The first couple days were hard hunting. It's thick, brushy country, difficult to move in, and plus it was super windy. We saw some good animals, took a couple, but what I was really hunting for was a Hartman mountain zebra, and it just wasn't happening. But then on our last day at Onduri, it did happen. We caught a group of mountain zebra before they got up the mountain. And even though they busted us at first, Helmuth called them back with a stallion call that blew me away.
In that gap. He's gonna stop in that gap. I can't see. The first one that stops, you hammer in the shoulder. On the left. In the chest. Oh, good hit. You fucking lucky bastard. He's gonna pile on. There he is.
He's down.
You fucking lucky guy. Big old donkey.
Yeah.
Really well placed bullet.
Thank you, buddy.
Good job, man. Good job. What is
Awesome.
Did you see how I called them back in?
Yeah.
They didn't know what we were. They knew they didn't like it. And then I just huffed at them. The stallion has this noise. And then when the stallion heard it, he turned his whole group around again.
Yeah, this one's a nice one.
That's a big zebra.
Awesome.
Good job, man.
Thank you very much. What a cool animal. bathroom. Totally comfortable. But basically, we're outside.
The next day we moved up the road 30 miles or so to hunt with Scot and Katie Burchel
Yeah.
at Burchell-Wolf Safaris. Their camp was awesome, traditional, old school luxury tents surrounding a central boma.
Enough gin and tonic.
Pretty good little walk. Chasing after a group of eland, but we didn't get it done. Miles and miles of bloody effort. This is some pretty thick stuff, but it's a good walk. The wind was right, we just never caught up to him.
The first few days were almost a repeat of the week before. Just tough hunting, hot, windy, thick brush, and we just weren't seeing them. But we kept at it.
Heard the hit. I heard it.
Yeah, nice. Sticks are okay. Wait. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well done, boss. That was awesome. Well done.
Thank you.
It was a long stalk.
Scott got us in drainage ditch like, and took a nice springbuck.
It's a really nice ram, boss. Yeah.
Oh, the shot's still good.
Look at that bugger.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's a beautiful, beautiful springbuck.
Beautiful.
Very pretty hooks, nice and wide. How about that shot?
Not bad.
Not bad at 250 yards. These guys look like little steenbuck.
I thought it was going to drift right and hit him back in the body more, but I guess the wind didn't really affect it. That's awesome.
That 180 grain bullet just does the job, eh?
Thank you.
Boss. That's a beautiful, beautiful springbuck. And a great hunt as well. Great stalk.
Yeah,
Damn, that's
good fun.
pretty. Have a look at him whilst he's down.
Good boy, Riley.
Good dog.
Good dog.
Riley boy. Good job, boy. Man, what a beautiful bull, boss.
Yeah, he is.
Look how
He is really
thick and
nice.
heavy he is. Big bases. Nice drop, sweep up.
Awesome.
Beautiful. Congratulations, boss.
Thank you.
You got it done. Well, that's a beautiful bull, boss.
Oh.
Look at how silver he is here with the beautiful stripes, long hair.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Congratulations, boss.
Good dog, Riley.
Good job,
Good
boy.
boy.
You eating wildebeest steaks tonight, Riley? Hey?
Oh, good boy, Riley.
Die tweede ene. Ja.
Good hit.
So.
Let's go put our hands on him, bro.
I think so.
Walking up on my Burchel zebra, shot after a long stalk with Scot Burchel. Let's see how he looks. He's down and dead AF. A little tricky getting into him. Yeah, the footing's a little rough. Yep, still good. Oh, he's beautiful. I can see already. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right up into the trees, yeah? We'll get him out of here for nice photo.
Oh, and he's the way I want it. Beautiful animal. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's what I wanted. Yep, very distinct.
Thanks, big guy. Congrats, boss.
Very happy.
Well done. Again, we hunted hard for this guy. You deserve him. Hey, komm mir da, kann ich jetzt? Second boss.
Oh, shit.
He's coming to that gap. Shit, he's coming to the left.
That's not him.
No, he's walking back to the left. There we go. Taking them boxes. Yeah. Well done, man. That was a
Thank
close
you.
encounter.
Yeah, it was cool.
Damn, we're lucky we had the wind. They kept seeing movement in the brush, but as thick as it is for us, it's that thick for them, you know. We just wouldn't stop for us in the gap.
We got the right one, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
beautiful.
Ah,
Go and have a look.
I think he's done. He looks big.
Congratulations, boss. Well done. Great shot.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful. It's done?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Yeah. Very nice.
well done. Okay, Brian, ons het enige gekry hierso.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Ja, julle kan net
So, somewhere between 1810 and 1815, William Burchel, who spent 5 years in Africa discovering and naming thousands of species, but one of them was the Burchel zebra. And now, more than 200 years later, his 7th generation nephew, so a great nephew, and I just hunted and killed a Burchel zebra. Wild adventure in Africa.
The rest of that final hunting day was spent doing some exploring, including a bush lunch at an abandoned safari camp from years ago that reminded me of something out of Jurassic Park.
Yeah. This'll do for a lunch in the bush. Oh my God. Holy moly.
And then we were headed home, but we did it the long way, across the Namib Desert and then down the Skeleton Coast to see the seals and the shipwrecks, overnighted in Swakop, and then headed to Windhoek for 2 days of flying home.
Broad daylight whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel rests on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in his 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door. The sand from your hair is blowing in my